Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see important dates in January month 2025. Date and days: 1st January English New Year, Global Family Day. 4th January World Braille Day. 5th January National Birds Day. 6th January World War Orphans Day. 9th January प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस NRI Day. 10th January World Hindi Day. 12th January National Youth Day, birthday of Swami Vivekanand. 13th January Lohri. 15th January Makar Sankranti and Pongal. 20th January Penguin Awareness Day. 23rd January Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birthday. 24th January National Girl Child Day. 25th January India Tourism Day, National Waters Day. 26th January Republic Day of India, International Costume Day. 28th January Birth Anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai and Data Protection Day. 31st January International Zebra Day. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.